Good morning, everyone. Myself Shalu, and today I'll be discussing with you another important concept of fundamentals of partnership: interest on partner's loan. Partner's loan here means loan advanced by the partner to the firm. At what rate he will get interest on that loan? If there is an agreement, then he will get interest as per the agreement. And in case there is no agreement as to the rate, then he will get at the rate 6% per annum. Now, what is the accounting treatment of interest on partner's loan? 2 points that you have to consider. First, interest on partner's loan, that is a charge on profits. And secondly, whatever items of charges are there, these are shown in profit and loss account. Now the journal entries. Entry for interest on loan. Interest on loan account debit to partner's loan account. Now interest being nominal account, so it will be closed by transferring its balance to the profit and loss account. This will be the second entry. Just look at the entries very carefully. First, interest on loan account debit to partner's loan account, and second one, profit and loss account debit to interest on loan account. Now we will discuss some practical problems related to interest on partner's loan. First example, A and B are two partners having a capital of rupees 10 lakh and rupees 5 lakh respectively. On 1st April 2018, interest on capital is allowed at the rate 10% per annum and profit sharing ratio 3:2. A has advanced a loan of rupees 2 lakh to the firm on 1st October 2018 at the rate 10% per annum. And profit during the year before providing for interest on loan amounted to rupees 2 lakh. You are required to show distribution of profits among partners. Now, while solving the question, first what you are required to give? First, you will give interest on loan to partner. Only then you can distribute the profits among partners. That may be by way of interest on capital, that may be by way of salary or commission. So first we will prepare profit and loss account. By net profit, that is given in the question, 2 lakh. Interest on A's loan. A has advanced a loan of rupees 2 lakh to the firm on 1st October 2018. That means he will be given interest only for 6 months and the total interest will be 10,000. And rest of the profit, when we will balance this account, credit total 2 lakh and on the debit side total is 10,000. So balance profit will be 1,90,000. And this profit we will take to profit and loss appropriation account. Then we will give interest on their capital, and at last whatever profit will remain, that will be transferred in which ratio? That will be transferred in profit sharing ratio, that is 3:2. Just look at the calculations very carefully. Interest on partner's loan, that will be shown in profit and loss account, being a charge on profits, and interest on capital considered as an appropriation, so it will be shown in profit and loss appropriation account. Now the next practical example. Now in this situation, rest of the statement is same, only the difference is in profit during the year. Profit during the year 6,000. Now again you will prepare first P&L account, net profit 6,000, then interest on A's loan that amounted to 10,000 and that will be given, and after giving interest on A's loan, firm is incurring a loss of 4,000. So this loss will be transferred to A's capital and B's capital. because loss need not be transferred to P&L appropriation account, and whenever a firm is incurring losses, no interest on capital will be given. So here we will directly distribute the losses in profit sharing ratio. Now the third example. Again, statement is same, only difference losses during the year. So here you will keep net loss 50,000, then again you will give interest on A's loan. Now the total loss is 60,000. Shall we take it to the P&L appropriation account? No, definitely not. That loss will be distributed among A and B in the ratio of 3:2. Please go through it carefully. Now, this is your last example of interest on partner's loan. Rest of the statement is same. The only difference, profit during the year rupees 2 lakh, and it is given in partnership deed that interest on capital is to be treated as a charge. Now, all of you know whatever items of charges are there. These are shown in profit and loss account, and secondly, these are to be given compulsorily whether the firm is earning profits or incurring losses. So, first you will keep profit on credit side. You will keep profit on credit side. Then you will show interest on partner's loan that you can calculate. You can calculate interest on capital that again will be shown in P&L account because it is given to be a charge. Then we will calculate balance profits, and balance of the profits 40,000 that will be taken to P&L appropriation account, and these will be finally distributed among partners in which ratio? In PSR. And here there are only two partners A and B, and PSR is 3:2. So this will be distributed as 24,000 will be credited to A's account and 16,000 will be credited to B's account. So this is how you have to solve questions related to interest on partner's loan. Just remember that interest on loan, it will be given compulsorily by the firm whether the firm is earning profit or incurring losses. That's all for today. Thank you.